Surprisingly, over 60% of Americans earning over $100,000 a year still live paycheck to paycheck. A high salary doesn't guarantee wealth. If you rely on human willpower to decide how much to save every month, your money will inevitably slip right through your fingers. The solution is to remove willpower from the equation entirely. Today, we are going to build a lifelong, fully automated financial machine using the 25-15-50-10 rule. Once we set this up, it will run quietly in the background, building your wealth without you having to think about it. The concept is simple. Every time a paycheck lands in your account, it will automatically divide into 4 specific, unchangeable buckets. 50% covers your survival, 25% grows your wealth, 15% protects you from disasters, and 10% is yours to enjoy. To follow along and build this system right now, you only need 3 things: your total monthly after-tax income, a list of your core expenses, and your mobile banking app. By treating your personal finances like an automated payroll system, you eliminate the temptation to overspend. Designing a system that directs your money before you even see it is the only reliable way to escape the trap of waiting for the next payday. Step 1 is to calculate your strict monthly baseline. Look at your bank statements and add up the absolute survival expenses: rent or a mortgage, basic groceries, utilities, and the transportation you need to get to work. You have to be ruthless here. What many people consider necessities are actually luxuries. Your housing and basic food keep you alive and functioning. Take out that stack of streaming subscriptions and the gym membership you haven't used since January do not belong in your essentials category. For any purchase that falls outside of that strict essentials list, you need a defense mechanism. This flowchart represents the 7-day rule, and it will stop you from bleeding cash on impulse buys. When you want to buy something, force yourself to wait exactly 7 days. This pause kills the immediate dopamine hit of clever marketing. If a week passes and you still want the item, evaluate its true value. A $60 pair of boots worn 100 times costs 60 cents per wear. That's value. Designer sneakers worn twice are a waste of money. To ensure your essentials stay under the strict 50% cap, you must target the 2 biggest budget killers: housing and transport. Renegotiate your rent when your lease is up, consider house hacking by renting out a spare room, and always buy used, reliable vehicles that have already taken their biggest appreciation hit. Locking your lifestyle expenses at 50% forces a critical mental shift. When you can no longer increase your spending to match your desires, you stop focusing on spending and start focusing on how to earn more income. Step 2 is building your armor. 15% of your income will go toward a stability fund. Your goal is to stockpile 5 full months of the strict baseline expenses you just calculated in Step 1, keeping it highly liquid and ready to deploy. Open a high-yield savings account that offers a 4 to 5% interest rate so inflation doesn't eat your cash. Then set up a paycheck sweep. Configure your banking app so that the exact moment your paycheck lands, 15% is automatically transferred into the savings account. There is one absolute rule for this specific account. You must never, under any circumstances, put your emergency money into the stock market or crypto. Personal emergencies, like losing your job, often happen at the exact same time as broader economic downturns. If your safety net is tied up during a crash, you will be forced to sell assets at a massive loss just to survive. A stability fund is not an investment designed to make you rich. It is an insurance policy that sits quietly, earning modest interest, ensuring your actual investments are never cannibalized when life goes wrong. Step 3 is setting up the engine that actually builds your wealth. Take 25% of your income and route it into a tax-advantaged account, like a Roth IRA in the US or a stocks and shares ISA in the UK. This legally shields your compound growth from taxes. The tax savings are so significant, billionaires deliberately use these exact account structures to protect massive windfalls and keep the government away from their returns. This chart illustrates how to allocate that money using a highly effective 3-fund portfolio. First, direct 60% of your investment into a U.S. index fund, like the S&P 500, to capture the growth of major American companies. Next, put 30% into an international index fund to give yourself global exposure. The final 10% goes into a bond fund. While stocks can experience sharp ups and downs, bonds are significantly less volatile, smoothing out the overall ride of your portfolio. Buying a treasury bond fund means you're lending money to the U.S. government. In exchange, they promise to pay you back with guaranteed, steady returns. When setting up these funds in your broker account, you must explicitly select the accumulation option rather than distribution. This guarantees that any dividends you earn are automatically reinvested into buying more stock, supercharging your compound growth. Long-term wealth is almost never created by guessing the next hot stock. It is built by setting up a boring, highly diversified engine, automating the deposits, and letting time do the heavy lifting. If you only execute the first 3 steps, you will burn out. Data shows that 92% of people overspend after periods of intense saving because deprivation feels like a punishment. To keep this system sustainable, you must mandate guilt-free spending. Open one final separate checking account, name it the Joy Jar, and set up an automatic transfer for your final 10%. This money is specifically allocated for high-impact experiences. Use it to book vacations that de-stress you, invest in hobbies that keep you passionate, and buy thoughtful gifts that strengthen your relationships. You're buying memories, not depreciating material goods. But there is a strict boundary. If your Joy Jar hits 0, you are done spending on fun for the month. You cannot siphon cash away from your growth engine or your stability fund to cover a night out. You wait until the next paycheck. By intentionally isolating your fun money, you completely eliminate the financial guilt of enjoying your social life. You can spend that 10% freely, knowing your future is already funded and protected. Look at what you've just built. The next time you get paid, your money will instantly divide. Your survival is funded, your protection is secured, your wealth is compounding, and your enjoyment is budgeted, all before you even open your banking app. By removing yourself from the process, you have entirely eliminated the need for financial willpower and daily budgeting stress. The machine does the work. With your money managing itself, your time is now completely freed up. Your single financial focus should shift toward learning high-income skills, so you can pour larger and larger amounts of cash into the top of this system. The top 1% don't build massive fortunes by obsessing over every penny they spend. They reach the top because they build ruthless, automated machines that manage their money perfectly while they sleep.